Hi friends, in this video I will show you how we can build RJ11 adapter to connect WitBlox sensors to Blix. So here you can see I have connected this WitBlox sensors to Blix motor using this RJ11 adapter. So here you can see I am using power, dark sensor and motor driver. See, motor driver is connected to Blix motor. See, so let me test. See, so here I am using dark sensor. So next I will show you how we can build this adapter. So we need this RJ11 adapter. See, this is the adapter. Here you can see RJ11 port, and here you can see 4 pins. So then we need one cable like this, then one more cable, so one like this. See, these are the things we need. So we can build an adapter like this. See, so first we need to connect this cable to this adapter, then connect this cable, and this end of this cable we can connect to WitBlox motor driver. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.